Vidya, let us strengthen this concept through an interesting and logical way. Let's say a sum doubles itself in x years. The point to be noted here is that p becomes 2p in x years.
Or we earn an interest P in X years. Am I right?
Yes, right. Doubling means earning an interest equivalent to p in certain years. What if p becomes 3p in x years?
That means we have earned interest of 2P in X years. I'm getting it.
It's very simple, Vidya. You just need to understand if p becomes 5p in x years, that means we must have earned 4p as interest. We can use the simple link to do these kinds of questions orally. See this question. If principal triples itself in 13 years, how many years it will become 7 times of itself? Orally we can understand p becomes 3p in 13 years means 2p interest is earned in 13 years. Got it, Vidya?
Yes, P becomes P plus 2P, hence extra 2P in 13 years.
Now we need to find in how many years it will become 7p. That is, p will become p plus 6p, where 6p is the interest earned, and answer is simple through unitary method. If earning 2p interest takes 13 years, earning 6p interest definitely take 13 into 3 equal to 39 years.
Oh, it's that simple. Just one more quick question.
Okay, p becomes 5p in 20 years. How long it will take to become 11 times of itself?
P becomes 5P means P becomes P plus 4P, earning 4P interest in 20 years. And we need to find when it will become 11 times. That is, P will become P plus 10P or earn 10P interest. It's simple. 4P equal to 20 years. So 10P equal to 20 into 10 by 4 equal to 50 years. I got it, Baba.
Okay, do this one now. If principal triples itself in 10 years, how many times the principal will be after 20 years?
Principal triples itself means P becomes P plus 2P in 10 years. That means 2P interest in 10 years. So in 20 years, it will definitely earn 4P interest. It becomes 4 times in 20 years. No. Triple in 10 years. So 6 times in 20 years. Please help.
Why are you so confused, Vidya? Neither it will become 4 times nor 6 times in 20 years. Just focus. P becomes P plus 2P in 10 years. That is 2P interest in 10 years. So in 20 years, total 4P interest and amount will be P plus I. That is P plus 4P equal to 5P. So in 20 years, it will become 5 times the original.
I got it.